everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, let's fight for right repair by buying faulty stuff, fixing it, yes. And in today's episode, I would like to say thank you to all the sellers who've sold me stuff. I would like to show you what I bought. So big thank you to you guys, thank you. Now, that's Nintendo Switch to the repair. I've done it, it's working. Port has been changed, but customer decided that the screen, now the digitizer, yes, I've ordered it already, so it's coming, it will be done. And I bought new pads, Joy-Cons, yes, so these Joy-Cons will go to this customer. And I said I don't want to charge the customer for the digitizer replacement. I can take these Joy-Cons, faulty ones, you know, to have for spare parts, or fix them maybe, who knows. And then customer can, I'd rather keep them for spares, to be true, because every so often I've got now switches. And then customer can have new ones from eBay for £25 and can have digitizer only for like £11. Let's say I bought two just in case. My digitizers are fine on the switches, but just second, just in case. If no, I will have spare one lying here. So I've got a Xbox One S with a controller. I've sold it less than a month ago, I'd say. And from out that customer don't need it because customer was gifted with on his birthday, so happy birthday, from some family member, yes. And now this came back to me. I've managed to buy it only for £50 back, fully working, everything's okay. I'd say so. If no, we will have something to fix. Well, I've got plenty of to fix, but you know what I mean. Next, my boys are playing Xbox 360. So, I've seen a bargain which I couldn't say no. So it's 360S, yes? So this fancy button which you don't press, not mechanical button, but it just, you know, touch like in the Xbox One. So yeah, then the difference is, you know, to my one as well, that this one is covered, so you've got a cover, doesn't go so dusty, and then you've got more ports here at the rear as well. So if you don't know, 360S is a newer model, because that's I think about 2010, 11 or 11, May 11 or April. So this is a bit newer one. So this has as well different power supply than my one, and hard drive is somewhere here on them. Oh, here, see here, and you can pull it, and that's the hard drive. I've been told that it's faulty. Maybe we will look into it. Probably we will anyway on videos. So yeah, so Xbox 360 I bought with an original power supply, so that's a 360S, a bit different one. That plug doesn't fit Xbox One, I'm telling you straight away, and there are adapters as well from this to the original, the first edition of this 360, and then from original 360 is the adapter as well to these ones. You can get these adapters on eBay and AliExpress, I think. Now I received for £10 as well, because I bought it for £10. I receive as well Kinect, you know, so happy days, yay. I don't see an adapter for the power for the Kinect. I don't know, maybe that's the Kinect which doesn't require, I don't know. I will have to test it on my Xbox. And two gamepads, yes, for £10. And that many games. So thank you very much to the seller, if seller will be watching it. Some of these games we have, some of these games we don't have, to be true. Now I will be trying not to use it for spares. I will be trying to repair it. okay, because my boys are really playing Xbox, and I always have some Xbox One X or One S or One, and believe it or not, boys have so many games on 360 that they preferring this, because otherwise we would have to change all the library of games to Xbox One. Most of the games from 360 don't work on Xbox One. That's why it is what it is, and we won't be upgrading, and we've got tons of games for Xbox 360. So to be true, you know, why not use it? Yes, so because these are like 4 and 8-year-old, that's okay for them. I don't see why not. That's why I will try to repair it, you know, rather than just use it for spare parts. Our one is okay, I just need to open it and clean it, and I know there are some issues with some of our controllers, and if these are working, happy days. Maybe we will have to do the analogs, who knows. And the last purchase and the last thank you to the last seller is for PlayStation 4. I bought, I think, Slim. Look, these are big elements. That's looking exactly the same like my ones, as you see. Yes, when you insert, you've got this red thing here lighting up. I don't know if these have, but it's looking like, I don't know if that's exactly the same or a bit different, but it's looking like same symbols on them and everything. You know, they are like maybe not twins, but they are really similar. Yes, really similar. So yeah, so these phones, I know these are slightly different, just slightly, not a lot, but they are slightly different. The only downside with those is if these are the same, like these I want to have all tangled. I don't like tangled cables. That USB is for the mic, and you need extra driver for the mic. So on the game console, it's not an issue because you've got automatic recognition, but on the PC you need extra driver, and my Linux don't have by default that driver, and I never went through hassle, you know, to get that. And on the Windows there is no driver by default as well, so neither on a Linux or neither on Windows I can use it as a microphone. But you can hear me here from this microphone quite well, and I've got one wireless microphone as well, and I gave one to one friend as well. I could build one decent microphone, like a big size of the microphone, this thingy is which you talk to, and that could, you know, that could even be better than this. But we will see. I've got no time that much, you know. Another tangle wire. Oh, this has a sort of a clip. Another headphones, no, second pair of headphones, like one wouldn't be enough. And guess what? And PlayStation. Okay, but PlayStation comes as well with another headphones. So 3 pairs of headphones. We've got a controller for the PS4. PS4 controller, that's a touch. And let's look at the babe here. Okay, that's a slim one. I can see that already. So we got a PS4. I don't know what's wrong with it, but we will find out. I will record episodes for each of them, so then we will be able to see what's wrong, and we will decide if we fix some or we don't fix some. Then we will make the decision what to do next. Yes, but you see, those are the purchases I have at the moment, and this vlog, I think, of purchases will be, that's it. I see that somebody was trying to remove the how call it remove the how we call it sticker at the back. Yes, that's the screw is mounted here. I was trying to check if it's 1 terabyte or 500 gig or what the capacitance is of the hard drive, but I don't see where is my this should do. No, that's PH2. I won't be able to use PH2, guys. Wanted to check the hard drive because it's quite interesting what hard drive is installed. It should be here. I always try to keep my screwdriver here, and guess what? It should be, but it's not. And it's not here as well. Okay, well, I did try, and I don't want to make this video too long, so let's look at it later on. I'll check myself. I'm curious, but I don't want to make this video too long. So you see, so I've made so many purchases. I've ordered a LED strip, this, because when I start to check, all those LEDs are faulty. You want to downgrade your TV by Edge LED, Edge backlight. Yes, new TV, buy it. You'll downgrade your TV instead of upgrading it. Good luck. I've told that on one of the previous videos. Yeah, you know what? I don't like this Edge, but anyways, you know, like, that's it, guys. If possible, please send some like here. I'm sending you updates, what I'm doing, what I'm buying. I'm sending you all the repairs I'm doing. Yes, so you've got some value for sure out of it. It's a matter of seconds for you to click that like button. Yes, it's not a problem. If you've got any suggestions which I could do to the channel, I'm open as well to do them. I would love to do some project about renewable energy, like maybe either solar panels or wind turbine, you know, like a project which would last for several weeks, and I could do each week something about it. But we will see, due to the current prices of the current. That's why I was thinking, you know, to do something practical. And you know, maybe somebody could do something else. I've seen several YouTube channels showing how to improve the efficiency of solar panels as well, and some people were able to do quite a few percent, so yay. I think the best channel which I've seen stuff was Robert Murray, and his channel showed quite a few things which we could use to increase the efficiency of those solar panels. I've got some cracked solar panels. Oh no, downstairs. I don't have it here. Which we could use, you know, to test. We could order something from China with 2 weeks delivery if possible, and then do proper solar panel. My wife bought me UV resin as well. So we've got a resin here, but it's just a small bottle. I can start to use it, see how it is working. And then, you know, we could maybe use a resin or some other stuff for some cases. But for now, let's call it the end, because it's 14 minutes and I told you everything. So yes, if you haven't liked it, like it. It doesn't bother you. If you don't want to subscribe, I can't force you. But if you can, that's helping this channel. I'm going for 100 subs. 100 subs, 100 subs. And for those who don't know, yes, we're fighting for the right to repair. We want to build fixable devices. We want to integrate everyone who want to learn fixing electronics and those who are already doing it in one bookRepairOnline.co.uk website, and we want to share our knowledge one with another, and want to get experts on board so that they can help us, guide us with what we don't know, Now I'm speaking with like good guys, really experts from different fields, and I need to make some changes like a backlight table. Unfortunately I have to do it, but I'm quite excited actually about it because I've got some cracked screen TVs, so I can do it. So we will see, yeah, so we will be doing mainly TVs, game consoles, and then phones with tablets. Yes, though that will be the major focus at Book Repair Online, and hopefully we will create a huge database, for all those repair shops which working with us and those people who want to learn as well, because Book Repair Online is not only for businesses who are working and have profits, but as well for those who want to learn, that they can have a community where they can tap into and then use that community to learn from. Yes, so that's what we're trying to create, and we want to cover whole UK and then hopefully other countries as well. And then profits from it we will take to produce electronics. When we will have electronics manufactured for us, then we want to use funds from all of this to create fixable electronics, so better versions of electronics we have. Yes, so that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you liked or subbed, thank you very much. Like to you as well, and thank you for the sellers for letting me buy these goods, which is awesome, because it won't be a huge profit out of it, but they didn't go to waste, and we can make this world just slightly better. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.